Hi guys! Update ko lang kayo sa ating project, which is our Toyota Camry. Let's get started. At this time, we're taking apart the door cover. There's a plastic there, and there's a screw that you have to take it off. From the handle, there's two again. And kind of lift up the cover from the side. And then you have to take up yung naglalagyan ng switch ng window. You have to pull that thing there. There's a wire. You have to in a socket. As you can see, I'm taking apart the wire harness from the damaged door, so we could put the new used door. Taking apart the wire harness so we could transfer to the old used door that we have. So at this time, we're taking out the hinges from the old door and the door stopper from this point. Hi guys! So, meron tayong update. Ito nga pala yung ating harness ng donor natin, pero di natin pwede kabit kasi yung pinagbilan ko, kinat niya, hindi niya kinat niya dito. So I don't wanna do this because it's not good or time wasting, it's not safe. Kasi yung sa akin okay naman. So the big thing is, ito ay 4 pin. Yan, 4 pin yan. Which is ito 4 pin yan, yan. So yung sa akin ay 6 pin. Yung pinakasakit niya, yung female. Yan. So kailangan ko siyang itanggalin dun sa original kong door. Only 6 bolt. I'll show it to you later on. And then mas maganda na rin kasi ayoko naman putulin, hindi naman kung puputulin yung socket doon, yung male socket, hindi rin magtutugma dito sa akin. Sa donor. Magkaiba kasi sila ng pin or whatever you call 6 pin, female pin. Okay? And then my window, it's better than the donor. Maraming scratches yung donor eh. Yung sa akin okay pa. And I don't know if the motor will work, cause mine it's working. I don't know this one, cause as I am saying is that's the donor and this is mine. So yun lang. Bye for now. So back to our project na. As you can na-explain ko sa inyo ano yung diferensya. So we're trying to put the harness kasi para may lagay na natin yung door at may align natin yung hinge. So we'll they call it fit like a glove, right? So that this time we're trying to convert the old from window operating mechanism tsaka yung glass. Medyo mahirap lang siya kasi dapat kasi may naghahawak dun sa glass. But everything is good now. So you just have to make a time. Then we'll put the speaker, and I'm putting up the side mirror now. Ay, bagyan na tayong natapos. Okay, so far ito na yung progress natin. So yung mirror, as you can see, nagwo-work. Good. Good yung nabili natin, good. So yung window, ito yung power. So nagana siya. Medyo nagasgas natin yung pero lang naman, film lang. Nababap out naman to. So Nagasgas siya, pero okay lang. Ito yung ano, metal to glass. Pero okay lang. At least nagana na siya. Oh. Walang problema. Alright. Speaker na lang. Itong cover. And we're good.